All right, you guys, here's our story. It's called Being a Feelings Detective. One day, Jordan, Kim, and Z were at the treehouse painting pictures together. When Kenny arrived, he exclaimed, "Hooray! I love to paint. I'm going to paint a huge purple dinosaur and some purple flowers and a purple car. Purple's my very favorite color." "Oh, I'm already using the purple paint," said Z. "There's not very much, so I don't think there'll be any left after I finish my picture." "Oh," said Kenny. "Well, I guess I don't really want to paint anymore. I guess I'll just work on the puzzle instead." How do you guess that Kenny's feeling right now? He might be disappointed or sad. And how's Z feeling? He looks pretty happy, doesn't he? Kenny sat down next to a puzzle box, but he didn't pick up any of the pieces. He just sighed and put his head in his hand. Z stopped painting and looked over at Kenny. Z was puzzled. Why does Kenny look so sad? Can we help him feel better? Z is practicing, isn't he? He's being a feelings detective. He's trying to predict that Kenny's sad, isn't he? And he's wanting to help him. "Well," said Kim, "first we need to know why Kenny is sad. We'll have to figure it out, just like detectives." "Okay," said Z. "What do detectives do?" "Detectives look for clues to tell them what's happening," explained Kim. "Let's see. Kenny said he was going to work on a puzzle instead of painting." Z looked carefully at Kenny and the puzzle box. "Kenny isn't making a puzzle," Z said. "So I don't think that's really what Kenny wants to do." That's a clue, isn't it? "Detectives also try to think back to what happened first," added Jordan. "If you know what happened first, it can help you understand why someone feels the way he or she does. Do you remember what happened before Kenny started looking sad?" Z thought back to what happened first. "Kenny was excited to paint a purple dinosaur, but then I said that I was going to use all the purple paint, so I think Kenny's sad because he couldn't paint his purple dinosaur." Do you think he's right? "I think you're right, Z," said Kim. "Do you want to ask Kenny if that's why he's sad?" "Okay," said Z. "Then we can help him feel better." Z and the kids sat down next to Kenny. "Kenny, are you sad because you weren't going to be able to use the purple paint?" Kenny nodded. "Yes, I really wanted to paint a huge purple dinosaur." "I'm so sorry I didn't share the paint with you," Z told Kenny. "I can use a different color so you can use the purple." Kenny got a big smile on his face. "Thank you, Z." Z was so glad that they figured out why Kenny was sad, and now he's happy. Kenny painted a purple dinosaur and a purple flower, and he even painted a purple alien just for Z. Isn't that nice? Z says, "Whenever we're together, my friends help me discover how children on Earth get along with each other." Z wants all of you to remember to look for clues and think back to what happened first so that you can also be feelings detectives. I think you guys can be great feelings detectives. Okay, if you have some extra time now in guidance, you can play this next little game. It's kind of like our other games we played. So, you're going to sit in a circle, and you're going to have two volunteers sit in the middle of the circle, and they're going to sit back to back, okay, so they can't see each other. And the teacher's going to read one of the sentences on the paper that says at the top, the Peekaboo predictions, okay? And you're going to read one of those sentences first. And then the two kids in the middle of the circle are going to show how they would feel if that happened to them. So they can show with their facial expressions, with their body, right? It might be a little tricky with a mask, but I still think you can do it. Then the students around on the outside of the circle are going to be feelings detectives. They're going to see how the students are feeling. They're going to try to guess how they're feeling by how they're looking. And you're going to see, are the students going to feel the same about it or different? Because sometimes we have different feelings about something, right? Something that happens, like spilling milk might make me sad, but it might make you feel angry instead. So you're going to see if the students have the same feelings, and you're going to guess how they're feeling. Okay, so you can go ahead and do as many of those as you'd like. If you still have time at the end of all that, then you could pass around Z and say something good about your day to Z so far. All right, have fun with the game, you guys. I'll see you later.